Alright, we are back, and today we are taking a break from the trailer to I guess do what you can see on the table. Finishing this. So I gotta finish putting the engine together. Well, I pulled it apart, so I gotta basically figure out what I don't need anymore. The new stuff I have, so head, flywheel, clutch, magneto stator thing, new plates, gaskets, big board, full head. So I got to finish building that. Once that's done, fancy nice carb, put the rest of the nice stuff on, and then give it a rip. I don't have an action camera yet, so I don't know if I'll be able to bring you along with that, but I'll figure something out. But yeah, let's get to it. Firstly, stuff I don't need. Wow. Okay. Firstly, stuff I don't need. Don't need old flywheel, but I do need the bolts for it, so they can go with that. Don't need. We have a basically bare table of stuff we need from that's old and new stuff. So let's try and remember how to put everything back together and put it all back together. Clutch is first. There we go. Just like that. Button these teeth in. Put the little housing back on. That's what to stay in the clutch. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. So that's on. I did the fun thing of, if you can see, these bolts. Not organised. Don't know which ones do what side. But gotta remember that basically. We're back. So I did actually remember which one was which is nice because they are pretty straightforward. So just go. Bit rapid, that one. Alright, now that side's all bolted up, we can get this side bolted up. That's off, just get a light razor blade and get the rest of the gasket material off the casing. Wipe down. This surface, and it's kind of clean as possible you can get so that the gasket can seal. Sweet. So you can see this surface is all clean and ready. That surface is all clean and ready. Just got to go gasket hunting and find which gasket works. Hey, one of the big ones, and I think it's this one. Ooh. Slide this on, nice and easy. Say that, but it's never easy. Go around a bit of everything. Come on. Hey, there we go. bit of force. Yeah, get all the bolts in, figure out what's what. Love. Oi. Alright. Now we got the fancy magneto stator thingo. Which should just got that. 2 screws. Gear on. The gear doesn't want to go on no more. Well, hey guys, welcome back to 4 steps ago. Chain for the timing chain got to go in, but that is more. That's cool. That's cool. It's cool. Pull apart the motor again. How do I get this? Alright. Alright. Now we can put all this back on. Again. Lovely. Now up there, so it's sprocket on. Yes. Onto the head. Onto the head. So for this, you've got to make it top dead center. So as far as the piston can go that way, essentially. So when we start getting the fancy shenanigans out. So in here we should have a couple things. Bit of foam, piston, sleeve, torches, that. What do you call that? Rings, gaskets. Much bigger head. Okay. Piston is in, is up. Just see that. So intake is your intake side, which is going to be up. Exhaust valve is down. Backwards, but that's right. There you go. Sleeve. Now, the worst C-clips ever. I hate these. Come on. Come on. Yes. She's in. She's in. Don't know if you'll be able to say, but you know. Just the neighbour ripping wheelies in his backyard. Yeah, not bad. Alright, let's keep building the engine so I can join him. Okay. bit of pre-lubrication for the cylinder wall. Ah, the neighbour is going wild. Flies.
Yeah, goes alright.
Well, pitched in.
Straight on, mate. Oh, yeah, the old muddy road bar.
Oh, you're going back to the buddy.
Just did a pop pop.
Kitty butt putt.
Hopefully with some more, mate.
Yeah, that's always a good idea, right? Yes. And that would be an engine build. Lovely. Oh, that was great fun. So now figure out this wiring bullshit, and then we hope this kicks over and starts, and we built the engine. Fingers crossed. I'm actually going to get it started off the bike, just to stay safe, just in case if it takes a while, I don't have a non-functional bike. But we got compression, which is a good sign. See in here? Ooh. Good compression. Sweet, good compression. Now, I guess we just got to kind of get things wired and tested to see if it's going to work. Beautiful! I don't know if you're going to be able to see this because it's hard to see in general. No, you can't see. That's right. Basically, after hours of fucking around, we have a spark. So, tomorrow, I can put the engine in and I can start testing it fully and hopefully it starts and runs.